metal shavings. What I found is it works great. You don't have to do it because you can clean out the metal shavings once you pull the seal out. So, and that is very important. So what I'll do is I'll just pick my point here. I'll come in. I'll drill. I'm not through just yet. Right there, it just popped. And there's a nice little hole. It doesn't go too far and get into your bearing or bearing cage, which is very important. Come over on the other side, kind of pick my point. Right there, it just popped. Again, there's a nice little hole. When it bottoms out, it is just perfect. It does have a little of the metal shavings right at the bottom, so I'll just kind of blow those out right now just to get them out of the way. So then your next step is to take your pulling rods, okay, and you hook them in. So you kind of put them in. Now you can pry a little bit. That's the whole point. You put them in. Right, like that. You can pry a little bit, doesn't hurt. And what you want the hook to do is you want the hook to go right in and then sit straight out. And so I'm going to pry this out a little bit. Just like that. See that? And that's in there. Same thing with the other side. I'm going to kind of pry and see that one went a little bit easier. So now here what I want to do too is I want to make sure, I'm going to pull this hook back out because I want to make sure these clock to the outside. These little pulling hooks you want clocked to the outside. If they clock to the inside, they'll pull on the center seal, they'll probably pull out and you'll have to re-drill. So what I want to do is I want to make sure this is clocked to the outside. So I'm going to come in and come down to the other, I'm going to come the other way. Now, let's see. In. All right, so that's clocked about right. So then I'll take my puller. I'll run the rods in. I have my center